So 6 years after the Camp Fire, most survivors who filed claims through the Fire Victims Trust have received their bulk of settlement money from PG&E.
Yeah, there's just one more of those pro ratum payments coming in early next year. But one town council member tells me there's a group of survivors at a major disadvantage.
After a major disaster, picking up the pieces can be overwhelming.
We know what it feels like to come back to what was your home for 30 plus years or longer, and there be nothing there but a pile of ashes and everything you own gone.
Camp Fire survivor and Paradise Town Council member Woody Colleton says thousands of people sought legal help after finding out it was PG&E that started the deadly and destructive fire, a move many now regret.
I know people that did not have lawyers, and they've already received that 4% payment.
Colleton's talking about the most recent pro rata payments from the Fire Victim Trust. But he says he and thousands of others who signed up with a local attorney are not getting those payments as soon as everybody else. He says the attorney in question partnered with Watts Guerrera LLP. He says they all agreed to give the firm 30% of their settlement amounts. Colleton now says that is just one of the reasons lawyering up was a big mistake.
If people did not have an attorney, then they could talk to the Fire Victims Trust directly. If we have an attorney, they won't talk to us.
The most recent Fire Victim Trust disbursement went out to those without lawyers on October 24th. But the law firm's middleman agency, Archer Systems LLC, still has the client's money.
We don't get any interest on the money they're holding.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, if I got another $10,000 check coming and I put it in a CD for 6 weeks or 2 months, I'm going to earn some money with it. If they're a big firm this is what they do, this is their livelihood.
Yeah.
And in modern times, why does it take them so long to process stuff?
Right.
I mean, it's just, it doesn't make sense.
On top of that, Colleton said he believes he'll have to pay federal taxes on the attorney fee, money he'll never see. I talked to Michael Watts of Watts Guerrera LLC, and he says he can't be sure if that will happen. But Watts says that's part of the benefit of using Archer Systems to distribute payments, to minimize the likelihood of taxes on attorney fees.
We're just trying to move forward. And a lot of people, that's where we're at. We just want to be done.
The attorney, Michael Watts, told me that the checks for the October payment are literally being sent as we were speaking hours ago, and that everybody should have that money before Thanksgiving.